until
We are at KZZ31.
at 2:15 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was
Yeah, it's
located
an
over
SBR.
Old Forge or near Scranton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with
Got another one.
size hail. Source radar indicated.
Got another one. Let's go.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rainfall is occurring.
Heavy rainfall.
And may lead
You can literally get KZZ31 here. I didn't know.
drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued
go.
until 3 p.m. for the following counties: Wayne, Pennsylvania. The current time is television stations for additional information and